The business analytics is important for academic research. It offers a rich domain for logical innovation and interdisciplinary collaboration. For industry, it's central to innovation, digital transformation, and productivity. For the wider world, I believe business analytics can play an important role in solving grand challenges.
The program positions our students in the intersection of data analytics and business strategy and equip them with the skills to make them great leaders in a data-driven world.
They have a wide variety of things to offer. They've got supply chain, they've got operations. I think it's more about the tech and management balance. Management is something about tech, and tech is something about management.
I work in the banking industry, and there's a lot of data in there. And I feel like by studying business analytics, I can make use of the data to make a faster and smarter decisions.
Our colleagues are coming with a diverse range of knowledge and skills and research background. All are helpful and necessary for help students to get different insights and understand how different skills and knowledge are necessary for their future career.
They motivate you to research further. They want us to go beyond the course units. They want us to analyze each and every sentence in a case study. Attention to detail and the motivation to do more out of those details is what motivates me, and the people over here always motivate the students to go forward with.
The research in the Center for AI and the Decision Sciences focuses on 3 interconnected areas.
It brings colleagues with different expertise related to data analytics, from exploratory data analytics, predictive data analytics, prescriptive optimization, and generally AI.
Students can benefit from this research expertise in different ways, so our courses are enriched by real-world case studies. And also, basically, we work closely with industry collaborators. That collaboration also creates opportunities for students to work on industry-sponsored dissertation projects.
So one of my favorite things about this degree is the fact that I could play around with so many different softwares, and these softwares would be used in the jobs I want to apply for, so like data analyst or data scientist roles.
At AMBS, we integrate cutting-edge technologies in our teaching, especially on MSc Business Analytics. We use machine learning and AI techniques in our teaching and learning. So we make students aware of the emerging trends in AI domain. We also want them to be the driving force to apply AI to support a digital and sustainable future.
My career aspirations are very diverse. I'm looking forward towards a career as a business analyst, maybe as a logistics manager, maybe as an operations manager. And thanks to the course and course modules, I as a person can now apply to various jobs. I can explore various avenues because the course has taught me not just to work as a business analyst, but apply analytics in various and diverse fields.